Welcome back to Everything's Funny at 3 a.m. My name is Yawg, and as you can see, we're still in the mines of Degnan. And as you can hear, the shit that's running around, probably in that one over there. Or, no, it's in this one. But guess what? I have the Degnan ore. I don't need anything else from that area. I am getting the hell out of here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and save myself a few dozen slave folk who are stuck in here. Why? Because I'm just a nice guy. And because I think if I do that, it'll really piss off the order. I really don't like it. So we be that, as we found out earlier. Shoot it, and then holy, wow. 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 Okay, ore is explosive. Leopard told me that. Damn is an explosive. Alright, so we got the pods, and this one opens this, and that is, obviously that's some kind of eyeball thing, or, I'm sorry, brain thing. And apparently shooting it made me awesome. That's interesting. That's kind of weird.
Now onto the factory. Exit the mines, and you can't miss it.
You know, I think I will. But what I'm going to do first, Blackbird dear of mine, is go ahead and actually go back to the castle. Talk to Maisel, see if I can get me some free stuff, actually. Because from what I remember, I should have been able to be a little bit higher than this with my accuracy and my stamina implant. So I'm actually going to check with the medic and everything like that. And probably pick up some extra supplies, you know, just that kind of guy. Get some of those things. So, what do you got? Oh, hey, retrofit. Hey, there's Sam. All right, so that should mean that this guy's got some stuff for me. Let's go ahead and talk. Teach me. Can you teach me some more? All right. I need some bullets because I am low on bullets, and I don't think our guy over there has anything for me, but he works real hard. He fights his fight. Not so much freedom, more for a good paycheck, but you know, people fight different reasons for the front, so you know, I'll accept that. So I'm gonna go out here, and you know what? One of the things I think I'm actually gonna do is, hey, so we got these, awesome. Is look around for just a few things that I know I probably haven't actually, you know, I must have left a whole bunch of stuff just sitting around, just hanging out. One of the things, I don't know if I've done anything with Harris. No, I haven't. Yay! Yay, I get to kill Harris all over again. Okay. So, this is Harris. Harris gives me the BS one from the very beginning, if you will remember. But one of the things I did not do with Harris was...
I'm kind of a talent broker for the rebels. A guy who was his good choice. Here's a crossbow.
Ah, cool. Very nice. Bye. Alright, and yes, there we go. Extra money, extra pad, everything. There we go. Thank you, thank you. And go ahead and look and see. Does anybody care? Anybody want something? Nope. We are all good to go. I'm also going to go ahead and check in the governor's mansion. See if there's anything hanging out. I think there's actually something behind that wall over there, but let me see if I talk to anybody. No. I must have taken this yard out. Let's see, is there anything? No. Okay. Alrighty, let's be a little bit quiet about this. Okay, win. Yeah, I really like these guys. You know, that's one way to get some clips of fucking ammo. Find a couple of guards just hanging out and shoot them. Take me up. There we go. And go. Oh, hey. Yay! Cash and ammo. Ammo and cash. Anything on here? Could I... Nope. Got himself a little altar. That's a little creepy. Alrighty. Well, that's kind of nice for today. So, we're going to go ahead and go over here. Talk to this guy. Grab about 5 or 6 different field surgery kits. No. So that should do me pretty well for a little bit. That plus the extra thing over there. Hey, you need to give me some clips of ammo. Thank you. Goodbye. What have I got? 13.5. No, we're gonna go in. See if we get some more. Nope. I seem to have enough. Yay! That means I'm full up. How much? Oh shit! Did not mean to use a surgery kit. That's stupid. Whatever. I don't even care. So I'm like, yeah. Now that I got that surgery kit, I should be fine. Aw, damn it. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Just need to move along. I still have 308. Yeah, why not just pick one up? Let's pick up some more medical supplies before I go in, because from what I remember, the factory has some big nasties in it. Alrighty, and there we go. Thank you. Alrighty. Like I was just thank you for a while there. It's like, just so you know, the guy did say thank you. See, being nice is the proper point of being a freedom fighter. Alright, so let us haul ass over here. Jump. Go in, say howdy to Maisel. Hey Maisel, how's it going? Thanks for hooking me up with a hot chick. Get to the Borderlands. Get the hell out of the Borderlands, because seriously, what the hell? Commons. And before we go to hang out at the mines, not the mines, before we go over to the factory, which is over there, I don't really feel like causing a big explosion and shit, so before I do that, I kind of want to see what's at the back of that one door that I could blow open before, and it didn't take me anywhere. See if we can grab that. Extra energy pods are always nice. Alright, and this is the one I came out of. I think this is where that extra thing is. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Take me up, see if that door is still closed. Oh. Huh. Oh, this is that. Okay, that must have been that second push thing that I pulled. Alright, that's good. Now let's start up. Oh, hey, and I'm in the factory. Oh, shit. Hello. You're angry. Oh, shit. Ah, that's one way to do it. That just knocked me back. That's hilarious. Okay, this is gonna be an issue. Oh, well, gee. Hey. Okay. That's one way to do it. Then switch over to the mauler. There's another guy running around here. Ooh, more Degnan ore. Awesome. Got him. Alright. Took a lot of hits. And spiders. Of course. Now let me grab the other extra ore thing. Just in case. There we go. Some more extra Degnan ore. And anything over this way? No? Okay. Where are these guys? Oh, they must be in there. Okay. There you go. God, really? Oh, there's multiple. Awesome. And, oh, hey, look. 4. Oh, God, that is explosive as hell. Alright, come here. Come here, Betty. There we go. Damn. That exploded real good. I just get the feeling there's something on the other end of this. Ah? Huh? No? Really? We got eyeballs? Eyeballs there? Hey, there you are. Oh, is there another eyeball? Oh, look. Oh, those just do not go through. Whatever. Yeah, you're gonna take a couple of pot shots if nothing's gonna happen. Bite me! I need to deal with Reaver BS. Ooh, hey. I'm actually full. Awesome. And this opens up to a nice little area with another rework. Hello. Yeah, F stealth today. I don't feel like it. Oh shit. Damn it, there's another one. Jesus. Damn it. There we go.
I'm reading massive
hello.
neural wave distortions
Hey.
from straight ahead. I think we found it.
Oh shit. Really? Multiple hits? God damn. It's just dudes all over the place. That's what this should be called. Dudes everywhere. God, I've been getting my ass handed to me too. That's horrible. Alright. Oh shit. Come on, don't open. Damn it. Okay, so that's one. I just get beat down here. Thought I got hit from another. Where am I getting hit from? There's dudes! Jesus. Alright, let's not get carried away here. Alright. I'm gonna finish what I was doing over there first. Ooh, hey! There we go. That's on the other side. There's gotta be something on the other side. Oh, health back awesome. Alright. Let's keep an eye on things. That didn't happen. Can I? Okay, sorry, get back over here. There's a teleporter there. Yeah. Oh. Huh. Oh, okay. So I didn't really miss out on anything. Okay. Out of my way, I need help. And we'll go down here. And, oh, hey. Teleporters all over the dang place. And up. Oh, huh. Alright. Must be the same thing. Whatever. Okay. That was kind of nice. That's this entire freaking part of the game. More dudes. Who got tired of dudes? Too bad. There's more dudes. Oh, sure. Hello. Oh, because it's a factory for the Crusaders. Okay. There's multiple Crusaders. Oh, there's so many Crusaders. Okay. Just this guy. There's an eyeball running around somewhere too. Oh, there's another dude. Yeah, you guys aren't very effective far away. Is there more dudes? Are there more dudes? Huh. Okay, cool. There are spiders and such. Probably down under this thing, but I don't need to worry about that just yet. Yep. How would you like to have more dudes? pretty much straight and dead on. I'm shooting straight, like, dead on. This is awesome. I probably need to get in that somewhere. Oh, okay, so this is some kind of secret. I wonder if one of these, like, pulls it down. Do we gotta angle up onto this somehow? I probably do. Fine. I want it though. Wants it. It's so close. I can taste it. Hey, and more mini missiles. Awesome. Oh, I'm full of mini missiles. Awesome. Even better. Alrighty. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and hold it for right now. We're going to go ahead and flip this lever the next time when everything's funny at 3 a.m. and see if we can't get into the dark heart of the factory. I hope to see you then.